Get ready to hit the streets with a revolutionary beast, the 2023 Tesla Cybertruck. After an agonizing wait, the Cybertruck has finally made its grand entrance. In fact, it's already in production, gearing up for a launch this year. According to the member of the Cybertruck Owners Club, "I am working at a booth at a trade show this week, and a manufacturing engineer from Tesla, who's been there for 10 years, told me today they'll be starting production of the Cybertruck early next month." Now you may be wondering what enhancements have been made to the original Cybertruck design to create the 2023 version. What sets this cutting-edge electric vehicle apart from its competitors in the market? Let's take a look at the remarkable upgrades and innovations that make the 2023 Tesla Cybertruck truly stand out from the crowd.
Welcome to the Cybertruck unveil.
The 2023 Tesla Cybertruck is finally going into production, and the excitement is reaching its peak. Let's continue with our discussion about the member of the Cybertruck Owners Club who recently spilled the beans, mentioning that manufacturing will kick off as early as next week. The insider even shared that he's actively involved in the process, heading back to Austin to work on it. Though he couldn't confirm if it would have a Ford Lightning-style frunk, his enthusiasm and dedication to the project speak volumes. The Cybertruck has been one of the most anticipated Tesla products, but its release has been delayed time and again. However, with the release of Tesla's first quarter financials, CEO Elon Musk provided a much-awaited update. He announced that the first deliveries of the Cybertruck are expected to happen towards the end of the third quarter, which puts them around September of this year. Finally, we have a more precise timeline to look forward to. Now let's delve into what sets the 2023 Tesla Cybertruck apart from other electric vehicles in the market. When it was unveiled in 2019, Tesla shared 3 configurations: a single-motor rear-wheel drive, a dual-motor all-wheel drive, and a tri-motor all-wheel drive. The prices ranged from $39,900 for the entry-level model to $69,900 for the top-of-the-line version. However, Tesla has yet to update the pricing and configurations closer to production, taking into account factors like inflation and supply chain challenges. Elon Musk mentioned that making the Cybertruck affordable is a challenge, but he aims to sell between 250,000 and 500,000 units per year, depending on market demand.
Tesla, we always want to have the production car be better than the show car. It always drove me crazy when manufacturers would come out with this cool-looking show car, and then the actual production car would be way worse.
Right.
And you're like, man, you got us all excited about this sweet-looking car, and then the production one's it's terrible. We won't do show cars that aren't real. So I think we got the proportions here pretty close.
What would you change?
Speaking of demand, the Cybertruck has garnered immense interest with over 1.5 million reservations. While these reservations only require a refundable deposit of $100, they highlight the incredible demand for this revolutionary electric pickup truck. Tesla's production estimate has been adjusted to match the expectations and resources available, with Elon Musk suggesting a more conservative estimate of 250,000 units per year. However, he emphasized that Tesla is ready to make as many Cybertrucks as people want. Although its release has been postponed, the new version promises some fantastic upgrades compared to the 2019 model. Let's dive into the details. One of the most eye-catching changes is the Cybertruck's unique steering wheel design. Recent leaked photos reveal a captivating perspective of the driver's seat, showcasing an unconventional steering wheel called the yoke. This revolutionary design blends elements of both a traditional round steering wheel and a distinctive yoke style, resulting in a square-shaped wheel. The Cybertruck's steering wheel breaks away from the norms of conventional designs by combining the best features of both styles. It retains touch-sensitive buttons for added functionality, making it a truly exceptional and innovative feature that embodies Tesla's groundbreaking ethos. Another exciting update is that the Cybertruck won't have traditional gear stalks. Instead, capacitive buttons take their place. On the left side, you'll find familiar features like the blinkers and high beams. However, the right side is where things get interesting. It houses 4 buttons, including the standard ones for voice commands, windshield wipers, and cruise control/autopilot. But there's also a unique button that differs from the traditional horn icon. It resembles an answer call button. suggesting that Tesla may have reimagined how the horn functions. This change aims to make honking the horn more intuitive and accessible, providing a more natural and user-friendly experience. When it comes to the Cybertruck's interior display, Tesla has outdone itself once again. The company boasts that the Cybertruck will feature its largest display ever, measuring an impressive 18.5 inches diagonally. However, instead of a traditional gauge cluster, the Cybertruck will have a heads-up display, further enhancing the futuristic and innovative feel. This larger-than-life display surpasses the 17-inch center screen found in the redesigned Model S and Model X, as well as the 15-inch displays in the Model 3 and Model Y. Tesla's commitment to pushing boundaries and delivering a cutting-edge software experience is also evident in its 2023 12.9 software update. This update brings significant changes that positively impact the driving experience, including enhancements to the automatic emergency braking system, improving collision prevention at intersections and other scenarios. Additionally, Tesla's Speed Assist receives an upgrade, and users gain more control over data privacy by being able to disable anonymous data collection. Moreover, the Cybertruck sets a new standard in manufacturing, introducing a revolutionary process. It will also be one of the first Tesla vehicles to come equipped with Tesla's hardware 4.0 for computer processing. Building on the success of the current hardware 3.0, this new iteration promises even better performance and safety, propelling Tesla further ahead in the EV industry. While the excitement builds, there is one interesting tidbit of information to note. As of the latest reports, floor mats are not included with the Cybertruck. Although this may seem trivial, having matching floor mats is essential to ensure both comfort and aesthetics in any vehicle. However, since this information pertains to the prototype version, there's still hope that Elon Musk and his team will address this before the official release, ensuring that the Cybertruck delivers a complete and satisfying ownership experience. The Tesla Cybertruck's exterior has undergone some significant changes that make it even more impressive. Firstly, the size of the Cybertruck has been reduced by 3% compared to the original prototype. This adjustment makes the center line more level and lowers the windowsill height. Despite the reduction, the Cybertruck is still larger than its competitor, the Ford F-150, by 6.5 feet, showcasing its dominance in size. Tesla has also introduced the Cybertruck keycard, which offers a modern alternative to traditional car keys. This pocket-sized card serves as a backup method for locking and unlocking the vehicle, alongside using your phone key or key fob. Furthermore, Tesla allows you to use your phone as a key card by simply tapping it on the B-pillar to unlock or lock the car, adding convenience and ease of access. Elon Musk has displayed immense passion for the Cybertruck. During the Tesla shareholder meeting, Musk confirmed that the Cybertruck would be his daily driver. He even tweeted about driving the plaid Cybertruck, indicating his excitement for the vehicle. Musk's personal endorsement and enthusiasm highlight the exceptional features and performance expected from the 2023 Cybertruck version. The manufacturing of the Cybertruck will take place at the Tesla factory in Austin, Texas. After years of anticipation, production is scheduled to begin in June, and the trucks could be sold to consumers by the middle or end of the year. Tesla aims to deliver the Cybertruck to major markets worldwide, fulfilling the long-awaited demand. The production progress has been promising, with chief vehicle designer Franz von Holzhausen expressing confidence in meeting the timeline. In terms of technology, Tesla emphasizes the Cybertruck's defensive capabilities, describing it as the finest in apocalyptic defense technology. While Musk's statement may contain a touch of humor, it highlights the Cybertruck's rugged and robust nature, drawing inspiration from science fiction and anticipation films. The vehicle's exterior features a proprietary 301 series stainless steel, providing exceptional strength, durability, and corrosion resistance. Tesla's choice to use stainless steel sets the Cybertruck apart from its competitors and contributes to its unique sales attributes. To streamline production and reduce costs, Tesla employs advanced manufacturing techniques. The brand utilizes the Giga Press, which is the largest press and cast in the world. This technology shapes the structure of the Cybertruck and enables faster production. Tesla combines the efforts of Optimus robots and skilled human resources, hosting metal casting welders and fabrication experts in Austin, and even welcoming professionals from China. With these measures in place, the manufacturing of large units can be accelerated, bringing the Cybertruck to the market sooner than expected. In conclusion, the exterior of the Tesla Cybertruck has undergone notable changes, including size reduction, the introduction of the key card, and the utilization of advanced manufacturing technologies. Elon Musk's passion for the Cybertruck further enhances its appeal, and Tesla's commitment to delivering the vehicle worldwide reinforces its significance in the EV industry. With production set to commence in Austin, Texas, and Tesla's innovative approach, the Cybertruck promises to be a groundbreaking addition to the automotive market. So, which update are you most excited about in the upcoming Tesla Cybertruck? Share with us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting that like button and leaving a comment down below. Also, if you're a fan of all things technology, be sure to check out this other video we've got lined up for you. It's packed with all the latest news, tips, and tricks to keep you ahead of the curve.